Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make an antique-looking plant supporter. Actually, this is very good for the flowers. So you can do it this in a very short period. So what we need here is a PVC pipe, a PVC glue and a coconut husk rope or similar to that. Right, let's make it. Hi, now we are going to make it. So as you can see, take the glue and add a few of it at the top of the PVC pipe, and you have to have a proper knot at the top of the PVC pipe, as you can see in the video. Now you have to wrap it as far as you want, like below in the video. And sometimes you may have to connect the ropes, but it would not give a kind of bad end product, but it gives a kind of very good antique look. So it is all right always to connect the ropes. So advantages wise, this is gives a very good look, antique look to your garden. And then durability wise, this is highly durable, so you can keep this product at least more than 5 years. And when it's come to cost wise, you will take very little cost to make it. Right, so this is our product, this is our final product. So now it is time to place it to your garden. So now we are going to place it. So this is how it looks once it's been placed in your garden. Right, these are the advantages of creating or making this product. And please, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please share it with your friends. Thank you.